How do, y'all? Got a seedling cactus I need to repot. That's last year's growth. And right there on the top, starting this year's growth. So I need to get it out of this small pot and into something a little bit bigger. This is also a 1-year-old seedling. Need to get it potted up sometime soon, but not in a big hurry on that one. This one really needs it before the new growth gets too far along. So, I'm gonna put it into this pot. You see how much bigger that pot is? That'll be a decent size for a couple more years worth of growth, really. And this is an Opuntia. That's a prickly pear cactus. Already loosened it up, so it'd be easy to unpot. Just setting it in there. Putting it in roughly in the center of the pot. And this is a native plant in this area, so it's just going into 100% native soil. And I'm potting it with a little space left at the top. Basically the same depth that it was in, and I don't have any on hand, but I'm gonna fill the pot the rest of the way up. It'll be over the growth a little bit, that'll be buried some, but it's gonna be coarse sand. It'll be this material. And that material I get from ant mounds. I let the ants do the sorting and most of the cleaning for me. I call this ant sand. It's a pretty coarse for sand, but it works well. And as you can see, it's basically all the same size. Not sure why the ants do that, but that will top this off, and I'll just give that a good soak, and that'll be enough water for this guy for a couple more weeks at least. That's all it'll need. All right, just potting up one of my baby cactus. Till next time, have a beautiful day.